Hi everyone, today is the last day of Cybersecurity Awareness Month and we're wrapping things up with next steps for strengthening your cybersecurity. Now that you've learned about best practices and key strategies, here's how to keep the momentum going. First, conduct a cybersecurity assessment. If you haven't already, take the time to evaluate your current cybersecurity posture. Identify any vulnerabilities, review your policies, and create an action plan for addressing any gaps. If you need help, consider working with a trusted cybersecurity partner like us at Defoo IT. Next, set up regular training sessions for your employees. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, so ongoing education is essential. Schedule quarterly training sessions to keep your team informed about new threats and reinforce security practices. Consider implementing a zero trust model for network security. By continuously verifying access and limiting lateral movement within your network, zero trust provides a strong defense against insider threats and lateral attacks. Start by applying these principles to your most critical assets and then expand over time. Another key step is to review your third-party risk management. Ensure that your vendors and partners follow cybersecurity best practices and align with your security standards. This will help protect your business from supply chain attacks. For long-term protection, consider the Cyber Essentials certification. This certification shows clients and partners that you meet high security standards and are committed to protecting sensitive information. Finally, make a plan for regular security audits and updates. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process that requires continuous improvement. Schedule audits, vulnerability scans, and policy reviews to stay prepared for emerging threats. Cybersecurity is a journey, and by taking these next steps, you're setting your business up for success in the face of new and evolving cyber threats. Thank you for joining us throughout Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just about protecting your data, it's about safeguarding your business's future. Stay secure, and I'll see you next time.